Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how you can use Canva to help you create inspirational videos. So what we're going to do is we've just logged into Canva, and if we go to videos, you can start creating a video. Now there are different videos on here such as TikTok, Facebook. There's lots of custom videos that you can do. However, if we go to the far left, we are going to use a blank canvas for this video. So we're going to click on this, and this is going to set you up your first project. Now, there's lots of different things that you can do on here. You'll notice that this is blank. Now, the first thing that's important about creating a video is that we need some titles. Now, you can use the templates that already exist. So there are some pre-existing templates that you can use. And you can preview these by just clicking on them and seeing if that's something that you would like to use. And when you press play, it shows you what you can see. All right. And there are different headings that you can change. So I could click on that and change that and say, Mr. Chambers, video about music. So you can play around with that. The other thing you can do is you can add other clips in straight after. So it's kind of like a timeline. So after that, I might decide I want a countdown of 10 seconds. So if I was to play my video, I can preview it and see what it looks like. Now that just shows you how to add in some basic titles. You can actually add in your own text as well. So if I wanted to, I could create a brand new blank screen. And if I wanted to, I could just change this up and go and drag this in. So you can just drag the text in and then change it. So I could say credits, and I could say thank you to ADS for the footage of students. Thank you to Mr. Chambers for letting us use CS2 for videoing. So there are lots of ways that you can add text in. Now, the one thing that you'll notice is that we have other elements that we can add in. If you click in between a clip, you can actually add transitions in. So if I click here, I can then add in these transitions. So if I press play, you'll see I've got that play button there, and then it will dissolve into the next clip. So if you want to look at transitions, you can change these transitions and make them bigger or smaller. So that's just a quick video clip that shows you how you can add transitions in and how you can add text in. Remember, if you go to design and elements is where you will find the original effects. You can even add in pictures on top of your video. So that is just the basic setup of how to use Canva. I will then show you how you can upload and import videos that you may have made.